Hello, this is Ronald Bourgeois, and you're watching SkilletSkills.com. Welcome to another episode of SkilletSkills.com. I'm Chef Ron, and today we're going to do chicken and broccoli. Let's get started. Same thing with the prep work. I'll show you from the beginning. Little velveting process, just like you did with some of our previous chicken recipes. And it's basic heavy pinch, heavy squirt. Not too heavy on the wine though. Gotta watch this soy sauce, it comes flying out of there. The key here though is to develop this thin brown paste and not get soy sauce all over your wall like I did. And then we'll go over here. I've cut up the ingredients for the recipe. You've got garlic and ginger and some dried chilies. Most of the seeds are out of here. It's going to give it a little kick, but it won't cripple you. Chicken bone broth. We've made this earlier, but it adds a tremendous flavor to the dish because it's very simple. In the way of a sauce, all this really is going to have is what's included in the velveting and then the chicken bone broth. So not really too much of an elaborate sauce, but the way the flavors come together, very subtle. It's a very delicious dish. Now let's get started with our garlic and ginger, just so it gets aromatic. Go ahead and throw some of these in there. Add a little bit more oil. And your broccoli. And a little bit of shredded carrots. So, what are we going to do to make a nice sauce out of this and steam the vegetables is add our chicken broth, chicken bone broth. You don't have to add a whole lot, add a little bit of water to it. Okay, now let's go ahead and put our chicken back in. Kind of a pretty dish. As it moves around loosely, pour it in. And it thickens very quickly. As soon as it boils, it'll actually chicken and broccoli.